welcome to another episode of Hoju Jimmy. Today we are going to leave our car park here and head to Chungju city and find a vegan buffet. We've been here for a couple of nights. We got some work done yesterday. I got more comfortable now to use the shower wherever, so we've been having good showers. I just got a shower now, that's why I look all fresh. So come along, enjoy today's video. Over to the main, so we got the mushroom steak here, we got some aloe vera gel, some more different kind of fake meats, rice balls, lotus root, doraji root, make a salad there, some more different items to eat, Korean style meal, curry, fried chicken or fried mushrooms, soba noodles. Chicken was pretty good. What's this one? I'm finishing with the salad. Yeah, it's around the wrong way, mate.
Okay, more anytime, it's tasty. It's really tasty. Chewy or anything.
That tastes like chicken. I'm gonna have this one and probably dessert. That you see out the back? There used to be a playground, but it's all overgrown. This one here, this is a pasta.
All things that they're making is really tender. I love it.
The mushroom.
It's all tender.
I couldn't pick it up, so everything falls off it.
Koguma? Ah, it is koguma.
This thing is everywhere, but this doraji with the yuja.
Super tender. Because it's mushroom. Right? I haven't really thought about the mushroom steak. Mainly all the corn for the vegan.
This one's good.
Oh yeah, I like it. Did you get the sauce?
Oh, there's a sauce in
You
there.
meant to put the sauce.
I didn't see any sauce.
There is a sauce in the same, like, you know. This is sauce. Like vegetables.
Like a soy sauce or something.
So it's like a... No, it's not a soy sauce. It's like a...
I got the sauce for the seaweed.
Get this. This is...
I didn't see any
this is
sauce.
This is like a fruit punch.
Oh, it's a sweet and sour.
I like it.
I like it by itself.
The kangkong that you can order in the Chinese restaurant. With the veggie teriyaki.
Tastes like sweet and sour at the Chinese restaurant in Australia. Sweet and sour pork. And this one here, didn't tell me what this one was. This would be the same but in a yum yum. And this would just be the fried. Where to today then? From here 2 hours driving.
2 hours driving.
Yeah, to get there. I'm getting full. Better get them brownies, eh? Did you see the brownies there?
감사합니다. Lavender? Oh, they got jasmine as well.
Oh, we wanted lavender.
이건 뭐예요? Hibiscus.
That's good for bedtime. On the dessert. Coffee too, right?
How much? This is one teaspoon?
So yeah, so you want 2 of them.
I like strong, so I'll get 3.
To get 3.
I need oil.
All the food in this restaurant is really delicious. Just ending off the video here, guys, with a few photos from the day we went there. Really nice interior, wooden furniture, logs. All the food here was top quality. I would give this vegan buffet 5 out of 5. Give it 5 stars. Definitely recommend it to anybody who wants to try out a good vegan restaurant in Korea. I'll leave the address in the description down below. So if you're in Korea and you want to go there, please follow my links. Thank you to everybody for watching this video, and please leave me a like, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will be releasing a lot more videos in the next coming weeks. Thank you, and see you in the next one.